Oh, yes, I know this. I'm not saying that I have facts that he killed anyone. What I'm saying is my dad literally used to threaten to murder me, my mom, and my sisters. He would go into detail about how he would get away with it, how he would pin it on someone else, where he would hide our bodies. This was my childhood, okay? He is a cop. He sexually abused us. DHS found him guilty. He was placed on the Central Abuse Registry list, which we have to change laws in Iowa. Watch a video of that I posted. His buddies in law enforcement, though, recognized the abuse, recognized the sexual abuse, chose not to press charges on him. Okay, so based on the things he is capable of, when Mollie went missing, 15, 20 miles away, minutes away, whatever, it took me a couple days because I didn't want to call the tip line. I didn't want to put myself out there. I didn't know if he was part of her search. I didn't want to have my name and my number, and I didn't want that out there, but I had to. I called the tip line to say, there is a man, a monster living in that area who is disguised as a police officer who is capable of horrific things. And 5 weeks later, her body is found on the other side of his property line. Call it a coincidence. But no one took my tips. Other people called in with tips. It was not only me. I called the sheriff's department personally. No one took my tips about my dad seriously. Yet 5 weeks later, her body is found on his property line. That is what I'm trying to speak out. The lack of integrity that you do not investigate a man simply because he's an officer, but you investigate a pig farmer because he was odd around women. That is what I'm talking about. Also, other male DNA was found on Mollie, and they refused to test it. I've offered my DNA up, and they don't want it. And I find that suspicious. I find it suspicious that they don't want to test the other DNA because they tested it against Rivera and it's not his. So whose is it? So do I have evidence? No, but I have a very much reason to doubt the integrity in this case. And that is why I'm speaking out.